Good afternoon, everyone. So today we are still continuing with agricultural concepts, AE 202. And as I told you in the last lecture, we are talking about precision agriculture, doing the right thing at the right time, so that we get expected increased productivity and sustainability. So there are 10 things we should know about precision agriculture. The first one is it is a generational transition. Generational transition. So in other words, farming is a live business, it's a business. And because of that, it should increase. Because of that, there should be a transformation. There should be transition from one stage to the other for improvement. Improvement in the transition bring improvement and not still the old way it is being done. So because of that, so it's very, very important. As it is going on every day, there must be transition from one level of it to the other. Then the second thing is rapid growth in technological sector. Rapid growth in technological sector. So the world is not static, it is moving. And the movement is as a result of activities in various sectors of life. In technology, many things are coming into play. And those things coming into play, technology, this machine for this machine for this for that. And there are also those meant for farming, those meant for agriculture. So note that the machines or implements, equipment used here at the beginning have increased because technology is increasing. Mind you, at the beginning we said agricultural engineering is application of engineering practices and principles into the field of agriculture. So there is a technology increase, and that is why those technological increase will help you to achieve your precision agriculture. Water application, pesticide application, weedicide, and so on. In fact, it's this increase in technology, this technology that brought about fertigation, application of fertilizer through irrigation water. And it is achieved, and it achieves what it's meant for. Now, the third aspect is ethical farming practices. Ethical farming practices. Ethical farming practices. So it's an ethic. There are things needed in farming practice, just like every other walk of life, and those things must be maintained. If those things must be maintained, you have to bring up your technology that will meet those ethics without altering them, because alteration may result to negativity. Alteration may result to some problems. So it's ethical. You should know that it's ethical farming practices. Then the fourth is say farms or farmers. You can say farms or farmers. Finding their niche. This has to do with specialization. This has to do with specialization. As a result of this precision, as a result of doing the right thing at the right time, there are many activities coming up. People will like to specialize here, people may like to specialize there. So, and that is it. So as to have diverse areas, so as to have diverse activities, so as to have diverse applications. Many people now will be involved in this area, many people will be involved in such area and not being out of business. Then we have number 5. The precision agriculture has given rise to growing demand for food. There is a growing demand for food, and that as the population is increasing, mouths to be fed are increasing. So precision agriculture must double up in order to meet this. And there is no way you can feed this mouth without applying the precision agriculture, which means doing the right thing at the right time so as to achieve increase in productivity and sustainability. And know that this is one of the activities or one of the things Millennium Development Goal is to achieve, which is food security. Then number 6, we go to the 6th one. The 6th thing you must know about precision agriculture. Rapidly changing economies and trade areas. Rapidly changing economy and trade areas. Rapidly changing economies and trade areas. So this PA has given rise to economies to change. The things people were not doing before, they are doing it now because the production has increased, productivity has increased. And as such, many things, many activities they will do in order to attract finance into their pocket or into their activities have increased. So PA has brought about rapid changing in economies and trade areas. So I will go into this aspect, I will go into this aspect, I will go into this aspect because they are there. If they are not there, nobody will think of that. So that is it. Then we look at the 7th one. The 7th thing you must know about PA, about precision agriculture. Meet, or you can say, odd changes in meat consumption. Meat. It is odd, mind you, odd changes in meat consumption. Now, as a result of precision agriculture, many food items that have not been there are now there. Fruits and vegetables. If people can get what they need in their system through fruits and vegetables, they will talk less of meat. You know, mind you that food security, having the right quantity of food and the right quality. So, and this can be generated, or this can be, we can get it from precision agriculture, because when they need these fruits, when they need these vegetables, when they need these food items, they are there at the right quality and the right time. And as such, people attach less importance again to meat. They prefer fish, and so, especially the red meat. As you are increasing in age, their meat consumption is reducing, so as not to increase the cholesterol and whatever in your system. So there is all changes because these are there. People prefer fruits and vegetables. Then we have the eighth item, the eighth thing you should note or you should know